welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing and using the RELIFE RL-601L fixture, a simple and useful tool for holding mobile motherboards during repair. Inside the box, you get the main fixture unit and a basic instruction guide. The body is made from high-quality aluminum, strong, lightweight, and has a smooth finish. This is a universal fixture, meaning you can use it with almost any smartphone motherboard, whether it's from iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, or other brands. Using it is easy. Place the fixture on your workbench, loosen the screws, position the motherboard in the center, and gently tighten the screws to secure it. Once fixed, the board stays steady while you work on USB ports, charging ICs, power ICs, or any chip-level repairs. Even while using a hot air gun or microscope, the board will remain stable without vibration or shifting. White heavy checkmark pros, budget-friendly, solid grip, fits most boards. Crossmark cons, no heat protection, and the clamps are not adjustable. Still, for most technicians, this is a great tool to improve precision and save time. Like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more repair tools and tips.